The rule of this personal account is, the rule is debit the receiver, debit the receiver and credit the giver, credit the giver. This is one line rule. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. Receiver means a human being. So the person who is getting something, who is the receiver, his account will be debited, and the person who is giver, who is giving something, his account will be credited. So this is the first rule out of these three: personal account, and the rule is debit the receiver and credit the giver. In previous video I told something about personal account, that was identification, कि whether particular account is personal or not. What identification I gave to you? The identification was names, human being, Ram, Shyam, Mohan, company, Videocon, LG, Samsung, Nokia, Reliance, school, Sesomu School, Bharti Niketan, Bright Future, all these are schools. So all these are names. So this is the first rule. Now let us go for second rule, second account. The second account is known as real account. Second account is known as real account. This is the second rule we are going to study. Now question arises, how to identify whether an account is a real or personal. So identification is very simple for real account. In real account, all assets comes under real account. I think you know the meaning of assets: cash in hand, land, building, plant and machine, furniture, goodwill, then then we have motor vehicle, then goods which is with us, goods. All these are assets, and all these assets will come in real account. Now I think difference is very clear between personal and real. Personal account was telling about names. You see here, is there any name? I think there is no name. Land, building, did you hear from somebody? His name is land, his name is building, his name is motor vehicle? Not at all. All these are our assets. These are assets with your father also. These are assets with Sesomu School also. So the difference is very clear between real and personal account. So this is the second account, real. All assets, cash, land, building, plant, furniture, goodwill, motor vehicle, goods, etc. So this is second. And what is the rule of real account? The rule is debit what comes in, and credit what goes out, This is the second rule which is going with us in the accountancy forever. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. जो चीज हमारे पास आए उसको हम क्या करेंगे? डेबिट, और जो चीज हमारे पास से जाए उसको हम क्या करेंगे? क्रेडिट. So today I am going to teach you these two rules. First one was personal account and second one is real account. Now let us see how to apply them. How to apply these two rules. I am talking about real and as well as personal. I will write these two rules again. One is personal, and here the rule is debit the receiver. 8 मिनट के लिए तो बता देना सर. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. And the second rule is real account. So dears, I am using in short form A/C, account. I will not use the word full term account. This is applicable in short form. And the real account rule is debit what comes in comes in and credit what goes out. Credit what goes out. These are two rules we are going to follow now. Let us take one business transaction. Just a minute back I told the meaning of business transaction, any economic event in the business. Number one, cash received from Ram, rupees 10,000. Cash received from Ram is rupees 10,000. Is it a business transaction or not? Yes, it is a business transaction. Because here money deals, we are dealing in money. Money is coming over here, cash received from Ram. This is a business transaction. In the beginning I was telling how to record this transaction. So in business, first of all we are going to pass journal entries. We are going to pass journal entries. Now how to pass journal entry? Let us see. Now this is a business transaction. I told we are following this system, double entry system. 8 मिनट नहीं है सर?
सर हो गए 8 मिनट.